we're obviously doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to be testing two alarms at once. Well, the reason I'm doing this is because I got these both at once, so why not? So, this is the Wheelock ET-1010-WS-24. It essentially looks like a 7002T. I mean, let's compare it. Look at that. Big comparison. So I guess the 7002T would be outside. So, let's set them off then. Wow, this is amazing. Let's turn off the lights. Now that is getting pretty annoying. To save time, let's cut it now. Anyways, that's it for now. And for the pull station part of the test, we have a Pyrotronics MS5. Now the reason I'm using this is I received these two alarms with the Pyrotronics MSX, so I'm assuming these two alarms were originally part of an addressable Pyrotronics system in a pretty large building, because obviously they had addressable pulls. So let's pull it. I forgot to mention it was on a voice evac system. Silly me. Now, I'm kind of cheating here, because I don't feel like getting a hex key out at this moment. Let's see if this goes smoother. The spring is broken in this thing, so now I'm going to be resetting the pull station, and it's reset. I'm still screwing it back in place, so obviously the strobes are off, turned off. So, now on to the speaker part. Alright, now we'll be testing the speaker part of the alarms, because these are in a voice evac system. Well, they were. Now sorry if my left hand's shaky, I'm full of energy today.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? The signal you have just heard indicates a report of a fire in this building.
Message.
Please proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. Do not re-enter the building unless directed to do so by the proper authorities.
These are pretty loud. Now let's test the silent night message, if it wants to load. There we go.
Attention, please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Now, considering when these alarms are from, I don't think you would hear any of those messages on a voice evac system like that these were hooked up on. Now let's try the simplex one. Obviously, these probably wouldn't have been on a simplex system either, because they're a simplex system from this time would have had a
An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention. 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 An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your...
Alright, I silenced it. Anyways, that's it for this part. Alright, I have 1 minute 27 seconds left on the camera, so I gotta chop. So let's do both the speaker and strobe together. Excuse my crappy wiring job, but...
Attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention. 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 An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby.
Alright, I silenced it. Anyways, that's it.